Hello everyone, and welcome to Steampunk Steve's Tours of Other People's Buses. In the previous season, we saw 52 different buses, short ones, long ones, transit buses, a couple of shuttle buses, you name it. If it was a bus, we saw it. And this year, I'm going to be showing you a lot of new buses, but also some that we saw in the previous season that have gone through some upgrades and major changes. One of them was just framed out, and I've been following them, and they've done a lot of work. And as I like to do, we're going to start with my bus. You can go back and look. It's going to be the same pretty tour, except I've changed a few things. If you've followed me before, you know about these changes, but come on in and let me show you around. All right, it's a 99 Bluebird. It's got a 5.9 Cummins. It's obviously flat nose front engine. This is my furry overlord Cammie, and she inspects everybody who gets on the bus, including me. Some of the changes I made were I changed the dash. I consolidated a lot of the switches, made it wood, made it look a little bit prettier. I've added something left from my mom, nice painting on slate, and of course my mom is the one who made the unicorn for us. I've got a map case right here where I can grab maps from every state that I can get to. I've been to all 48, the lower 48 right now. Anyway, I've got the hat storage right there. And we turn around, we turn the fan off. So I do have a fantastic fan here and one in the back. And this is my couch. I did have the sewing ladies at the Jamie's Van Bill made me a new cover for it, so that's really nice. That is all tool storage. Anybody who knows me knows that I love working on stuff. So I just have the big propane heater, and that will warm the bus up. It is actually oversized. I did put a fan up here that I can move air around on hot days. It's nice to have a little breeze blowing through here. And on the curtains, I changed out the curtain rod to copper pipe and put these Edison bulbs. I'm working on getting the pieces to make a shade to give it a little bit warmer glow, but I still want this nice bright light for me reading or working over here at the table. So this is my kitchen area, and I've got pretty much this is a bathroom vanity from a hotel. It's big enough for me doing dishes and whatnot. A regular RV stove with an oven, which is really nice. I do have 480 watts of solar on the roof, and here we are January 3rd, I think, and I'm pulling in right now, it's 11:30, I'm pulling in 11.6 watts, which is got my batteries up to 82, which is fine. All of the controls are down under here. I did add another fuse block so that I can have more control over what I had. A few things doubled up, which never good. And let's see, I did add a car stereo hooked into the house batteries, so I can have tunes if I want. It's not really picking up radio stations very well, but it does have a CD deck, so I can do that. I've got storage up in here, cameras, and of course USB ports and to charge things up. One big change I did make this year was I got a bigger refrigerator. If you remember from last year, I had a little one that sat in here. This one, I can pull it out. It's got dual compartments, got a refrigerator, freezer over there. It's nice being able to have a larger selection of food, and it just goes in on the drawer. When I'm driving, I use this board over here to block it in. And hang on. Now I added a diesel cab heater and made a spot for my dirty laundry. This has been working great. It feeds right off of my fuel tank. And then above it, I made this bookcase, but I put all my closet in behind it. So now I can get all my books out of storage, as well as still have the closet. Oops. There, a little hard to do one-handed sometimes. And of course, those who've seen the tours before, garbage, and my couple of pantries. Now back here is the bed area, and I had the ladies at Vanville sew me some curtains, so this bed is basically a catch-all, and then the other bed is mine. I can pull these curtains across if I want it a little darker, taking a nap or whatever. Pull this curtain down, and it makes it nice in here. I do have these LED map lights. I put a fan in, so it's a USB one, so I can feed that over here to get a little bit of a breeze when it's hot. And of course, I've got these pathway lights, give me a little bit of light back here, and in the evenings makes it a little bit easier. And then back, of course, in the back is the bathroom area. A composting toilet and my cat pan there. They both go through a fan on the roof, solar powered bilge fan, runs 24/7, and gets no smells. I've got a rain head, shower head, and then I've got this for nooks and crannies. And another addition this year was the tankless hot water heater. And there you go. That's my rig. And now we're going to, in the coming weeks, on Saturdays, there will be a tour of somebody else's. So hopefully you'll enjoy the coming season, and I'll see you down the road. Bye. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video of that great schoolie, and in the coming weeks there'll be more. So please, I will see you next Saturday for a tour of another schoolie. Steampunk Steve saying, see you on the road.